Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FunMath 158.
FunMath number 158. Alright, so today we're in the review section of Chapter 8, Art of Problem Solving's Algebra book, and we're reviewing lines. And we came across a problem similar to this, and I thought it'd be good to review it in this video. The point A, 8 is on the line connecting 0, 4, and 4, 0. Find A. Okay, do you understand the problem?
Yeah.
Alright. How do you want to start on a problem like this? Or tell me what your approach is going to be before you start writing.
Let's draw a graph.
Okay, let's draw a graph. Tell you what, I'll draw it over here so that it leaves you room to work, because you're going to have to do a little bit of work later. Okay? Here's your graph.
Let's make some tick marks. We can make it like a 4.
Okay, go ahead.
So 0, 4 is here.
Alright.
And 4, 0 is right here.
Okay.
So we got this line.
We got that line.
That slope should be negative.
That slope should be negative.
So let's find the slope.
And what can you tell me about the point when y equals 8? So the point A, 8. When y equals 8, where's that going to be on this line?
It'll be over here.
Okay, so it looks like we'll extend the line this way. So what should the x value be? What can you tell me about what A?
It should be negative.
Okay, so the slope of this line is negative, and our A value should be negative. So that's what we learned from the graph. That geometry really helps us.
So let's find the slope.
Okay, find the slope.
So we have 4 minus 0 over over 0 minus 4.
Okay, so we compute the change in y and over the change in x. The change in y is 4 minus 0, and the change in x is 0 minus 4. Okay, what does that equal to?
Or 4 over minus 4, or minus 1.
Okay, so the slope of this line is minus 1. We thought it would be negative, and it is. Okay,
Awesome.
what's next?
So we'll do the y is mx plus b equation.
Alright. What is this form of the line called? Y equals
The
mx plus
slope-intercept
the
form.
slope-intercept form. Okay.
So y is minus x plus b on the slope.
Okay, we found the slope was minus 1. Now we just need to find b. What's b called?
b is the y-intercept.
b is the y-intercept.
The y-intercept is when x is 0, so it's 0, 4.
Alright, we already
B
know
is 4.
0, 4 is on the line. That was a nice little trick. So b is 4. So the equation of this line is what?
So it's y is minus x plus 4.
Y equals minus x plus 4. And now would be a good time to check that we haven't made any mistakes.
Let's use a 0.
0, 4 is on the line when x equals
Yeah.
0, y equals 4. What about when y equals 4? Is
Yeah.
y 4 when x, sorry. When y is 0, is x equal to 4?
Yes.
Yes, it is, okay, because minus 4 plus 4 would be 0. Okay, so we have our correct equation of the line.
So
Now what do we need to do?
Now we'll put y is 8. So we get 8 is minus x plus 4. So 4 is minus x is minus 4.
Okay, so what's his?
Check.
So what point do we have on the line
We have
now?
minus 4, 8.
Okay, so the question is minus 4, 8 on the line? And if that is true, that minus 4, 8 is on our line, then A will equal minus 4.
So minus 4 is 4. Plus 4 does equal 8.
Okay, and does A equal minus 4 match with what our geometric intuition from the beginning?
Yeah.
It does. It does match with our geometric intuition in the beginning. We expected something negative. So we didn't find that A was like 10 over here, so we didn't find this point was on the line. That would have made no sense.
Yeah.
We found A was minus 4, the y value was 8, and it looks like that's on the line. Okay, very good job. Very good job. So A equals minus 4, just what we thought. So let's review. You find a problem like this, drawing a picture is always a big help. Gives you a little bit of intuition. The picture says, hey, the slope's negative and our A value should be over here. Now we have 2 points, so we write down the equation of the line. Takes a little bit of work, but we figured out that the equation of the line was y equals minus x plus 4, then we solved for our other point. Okay? Awesome. Awesome job.